While the concepts of coast or coastal zone are intuitively understood, defining precise boundaries for them, whether landward or seaward, proves to be challenging. In the most simple way, coasts are the transition zones between oceans and continents. Is a fact that the coastal zone consists on the part of the land affected by the proximity to the ocean, coastlands, and the part of the oceans that is affected by being near to the land, coastal waters. But to what extent does the land affect the sea and vice versa? Well, there isn't a common or unique definition of what constitutes a coast or a coastal zone, but rather a number of complementary definitions exists, each serving different purposes. For example, a coastal engineer would say that the coast extends inland as far as the influence of the tides and waves reaches the land. But where is the seaward limit? On the other hand, governments often create administrative systems or set out policies to guide decision-making in this area. The definition of coast will depend on the objective and the timescale under consideration, and their limits or boundaries can be defined according to fixed or variable distances and/or using a range of variables. Examples of this variables are physical features, for example, the landward limit of coastal dunes or the seaward limit of continental shelf. Also, biological features can be used, for example, the landward limit of coastal vegetation or the seaward limit of a coral reef. And finally, we can use administrative boundaries, for example, the landward limit of local municipalities which front the ocean.